If you want to uninstall WhatsApp because you want to reinstall it or because it's taking too much space, then watch this tutorial to learn how to uninstall WhatsApp on Windows 11 and Windows 10 in a quick and easy way. First, open the Start menu, open your settings, open Apps, open the Installed Apps section. Locate WhatsApp. Click on the three dots to open the WhatsApp options. Click on Advanced Options. Locate the Uninstall option. This will uninstall WhatsApp and its settings. Your documents will not be affected. First, press Uninstall. The WhatsApp app and its related data will be uninstalled. Press Uninstall again. If you want to reinstall the app, first open the Microsoft Store. Search for WhatsApp. Click on WhatsApp. Press Get. Wait for WhatsApp to be downloaded and installed. Now open WhatsApp. Log in into your account.